Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out this AI dash cam from Neideso. It's the N900 Ultra 5 channel, 360 view, so you can simultaneously record front, cab, rear cabin, sides, and the rear with 5 adjustable 150-degree lenses for full 360-degree protection. And you can see the picture right here. It has a dual rear camera, which is amazing. Monitors the trunk, the back seats, and the side windows. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so here is your user manual. You have a quick start guide. You have some electrostatic stickers. Here is the dash cam right here, the front dash cam. Wow, look how big this thing is. It does come with a micro SD card, and it is 128 gigs. Wow. So here's your main front camera, and as you can see, these cameras right here, wow, you pretty much put them anywhere. So this front camera is pointing out. You can point this in the interior of your vehicle, or you can point them to the side, or you can bring them all the way up to the front too. I don't know why you would do that, but put them on the side so you can get the side view. All right, here is your panel tool here. Really glad they put this in the box. That way you're able to run your wires. This is a great tool. And again, same as like the front camera, you have cameras that can move in different directions and up and down like this. Really, really cool. You have one camera that has the infrared sensor, so you'd want this to be pointed inside your vehicle, but they swivel, so you can turn them any way, any configuration you want to. You have the freedom to do that. If you want to run this camera to the side for some reason, you can. Mounting accessories right here, a suction cup mount. That's really cool. So you don't want to stick this on your windshield, you do have that option to go with a suction cup mount. Camera has been installed. I've got the sunshade up so you could see it. All right, so at the bottom here you have 5 buttons. You have your power, menu, up and down, and your OK button. I'm not sure how clear this is, but I have all 5 cameras up. So right here is this camera right here, this screen's my rear. This one right here is the camera pointing to the side. My rear camera filming outside of the vehicle. And this one up here is the front camera right here. And all 5 screens are on here, which is amazing. Nice size screen on this camera, by the way. And you can change that by just using the arrows. So I like to keep all 5 when I'm driving. And here's the main menu right here. So you can set up your dash cam. You can play back if you need to play it back. You could set up your voice control, and you have a dashboard here that will show your speed according to the GPS. You could go to your settings, and you have all your settings here. The driver monitoring system, and when you look at it, I have it turned off right now, but basically when you turn it on, you could set all these options, and the camera will, and then you can also set up what camera you want to use, and the camera will watch out for these things. Like if your eyes are closing, it'll set up an alarm will sound, smoking alarm, distraction, yawning, phone call, driver absence. Those alarms will sound. Also too, it'll have a box over your face just to show you that it is doing what it's supposed to do. It's a pretty cool setup. I mean, it does a good job. There is an alarm. It's not a loud alarm that'll scare you or anything. It's just an alarm that'll say, hey, we're watching you, and this is what's going on. So to turn it on, just hit OK right here, and just use the arrow buttons to pick out what distraction you want to turn on, and that's pretty much it. Has Starvis 2 Super Night Vision, IMX675 HDR sensor, 1.6 aperture, 12 IR LEDs for clear night and low vision recording of license plates and pedestrians. Has built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, tracks your locations, your speed, your routes, 5G Wi-Fi for fast video download, sharing via your smartphone app. So you do have an app with this. And you do have 24-hour parking mode, automatically switch to surveillance recording when parked, but it does require a separate hardware kit, which offers 3 detection options. And you have voice control, English voice commands for hands-free operation, take photo, start video, turn off audio, Wi-Fi, and the screen. Monitors the trunk, the back seats, and the side windows. Useful for kids, pets, and luggage. All right, so if you're looking for a dash cam with a lot of features, a lot of cameras with AI capabilities, check this one out.